Hello guys, we got some special guests. And we're gonna be trying cornbread.
Yep, cornbread.
Yep. Alright, let's get into this. Let's get into the video.
Oh my god, we have to share it. So we only get like a piece like that big each with a knife.
Why don't you quit complaining?
Because we get nothing.
Not my fault.
Yeah, it is. It is your fault actually, because you wanted to join. Boo! Look how small those pieces are. See, look, that's the biggest piece. See? Now everybody's gonna fight over that one.
No, it's not.
That's fine.
See, it's not fair. Tristan gets the biggest piece out of everybody.
Thankfully, it should be mine.
This should be mine.
Well,
I'm the special guest here.
No.
I'm like never
me
in
it.
it. I'm remember
Give me it.
Remember what you
We'll
said?
be right
This is me.
My jaw hurts.
That's very good. That's really good.
Yeah, bro, you guys should try some. Oh, it's called mini.
It's really dry.
Looking like I drink.
Man.
Andrew?
Just look how beautiful it is.
A masterpiece.
It's my baby.
Put it back.
Dang it.
You could call him.
You're lucky. You get to get as much cornbread as you want, and we don't.
Alright, guys. Probably gonna wrap up the video.
Hope you guys did not enjoy this, and see y'all later.
Christopher.
No.
Get
in the
it.
video.
Guys. Bye.